god, look at that. It's like the earth opened up. We're gonna die. Oh, stop. Oh my god.
Bella, come on! Ain't like I got enough fucking stress on me.
Bella! Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, sugars. Oh my god. I am so walking out of here. You just leave the truck up here, honey. We're done. Buy a new one. Oh my god, get over. Oh, shit. Oh my god, get over. Oh my god, get over. There's no way I'm coming down this thing. I am angry at this point. He should have given me a better clue as to just how terrible this damn drive is. When you get to the top, look at the view. My ass. Oh.